Hi everyone. I just did a whole recording where I forgot to turn on the headset, so there was no volume, no sound. So let's go again. I wanted to create this video to show some of the issues that I've been facing, like my peers have been doing, like I've been facing as well. Most of my friends are in the IT industry, so we spend a lot of time on our computer, right? Right. So I wanted to address a few things. First of all, I'm not a doctor. I'm just going to share my experience and how some gadgets really helped improve my lifestyle and the way I work. So the first thing is I started having some carpal tunnel issues, I think 2019, and it was killing me. A lot of pain. It's very annoying. And when I saw a doctor, he recommended that we do some tests and that we might have to do a procedure where they cut a piece of the bone and to allow the nerve to be there comfortably. So I decided to go to a chiropractor. Back then, I used to be really afraid of chiropractors. I still am, but I was just lucky to find somebody that's great, and like I recommend him to my friends. There's still like a weird relationship between chiropractors and physicians. I don't know what's that all about, but this guy is amazing, and so I went to him, and he did treatment over the course of the next few weeks, where a lot of massaging. There you go, and stretching that helped a lot. And then I stopped having the carpal tunnel issues. So I think the last issue I had was over a year and a half or 2 years ago. So, anyways, that's the first thing. Uh, don't jump into operations. I fully believe in medicine before you go down that road. But um, it's amazing that a few stretches, massages over a few sessions that helped a lot. And also, what I recommend, since this is a tech channel, get this thing. I stopped using it because now I don't have these issues anymore with my carpal tunnel, and I'm very comfortable the way I'm sitting. So this is something I got from Dollarama. That's a dollar store here in Montreal, in Canada, let's say. Yeah, and it allows your wrist to just sit there and be comfortable while you're working. So that helps a lot. You can find a lot of stuff like that on Amazon. I'm gonna put some links under my video, but this is the one I got. So if you don't want to buy something off Amazon for like maybe $10, $50, $2, $3 from dollar store. The second thing I wanted to talk about is um, a pain in this area here. And this was super annoying for a long time because even with the visits to the chiropractor, he was doing a lot of massaging and stretching and everything, and I kept having more and more knots um, along my arm to my neck. But like I would be comfortable for a few days and then the issue would come back again. I noticed that happened when I got my big screen, my first big screen phone, and I think it's because like you have to reach to uh, like far areas, and that's not comfortable for your hand. And I started playing Warzone as well. That didn't really help. So if I can show you here my orders on Amazon, let me go to the other screen. And now I'm showing you my orders on Amazon. So you can see this is the pad, whatever. I got the Anker wireless vertical ergonomic mouse, this one, which now I just display it. I don't really use it. I got a setup with the keyboard and mouse, also an ergonomic mouse, which I don't use anymore. The keyboard on the other side, on the other hand, I have it in my locker as a backup, but I have a similar one, which is not a lot of people like that, but to me it just feels comfortable the way you're sitting and your hands are sitting on the desk instead of being like that, which is kind of awkward. I got the Kingston Expert Mouse Optical Trackball mouse. Yeah. Anyway, so I used this only once or twice since I got it and then stopped using it. It didn't feel natural to use. But this is the most amazing mouse I've got so far. So this is a gaming mouse, and if you notice something, it's selling now for $72 Canadian on Amazon. If you click on the picture, if you see this area here, Can you see it? Yeah, you should be able to see it. If you see this area, this is basically a resting place for your thumb. So if you're moving too fast, especially if you're doing a lot of gaming, like a lot of like fast movements, then oh, did I ruin the volume? Hopefully not. So if you're doing that, like your thumb is not like being pushed in and out the whole time because it's resting on the table. That depends, of course, how you use the mouse. If you're using it like this, like a freaking golem or something, then you're not impacted that way. You must be impacted in some other way. Anyways, it just helped a lot, and that was a game changer. The whole idea of this clip here, of this video, was to show this mouse, which they're not supporting the channel. I think I have like 12, 13 subscribers right now, so I don't have any sponsors. If you would like to sponsor, please go ahead. They're not sponsoring this video in any way or another, but it's just a game changer that I wanted to share with you. And since we're talking right now, let's talk about the third thing, which is pain in the neck. So we were just talking about it yesterday because I had some friends over. And as we were sitting in the backyard, actually one of them is going to visit the chiropractor that I go to today. So I gotta check on him and see how things went. Um, so yeah, he was complaining about neck pain. And I noticed something with a lot of tech people, or if you want to live like your digital nomad lifestyle or something, you're sitting on your laptop and the whole time you're looking down, and which causes a lot of strain to your neck, right? This is not normal. So what you should be doing is have your laptop or your screen at eye level, so that like it's more natural. You're not adding strain to your neck or your back. Back to the screen, so you can sit more comfortably, typing, working on your mouse while looking straight into this screen of your laptop instead of looking like this all the time. See, even doing this, I can feel some tension right away. So that's one of the things that happen with people working on the laptops. The other thing is that, of course, the way they're sitting, like, it's also not comfortable for the key when typing on the keyboard. If you're doing a lot of gaming like I'm doing, you see, I'm a very tense person. So if I'm playing, I'm like really focused and I end up doing this, looking into the screen, which of course adds more strain. So you have to sit comfortably, upright, and play. So these are my recommendations. Again, I'm not a doctor, but I hope that whatever I'm sharing here helps you and improves your lifestyle. I'm gonna be including links under the video for the different things that I got, like the mouse and the keyboard and such. If you end up using these links, you will be helping the channel because I get, I think, a few cents on each sale or something. I'm not sure. But if you don't want to use the links, by all means, just search for the devices and get them. And I hope this improves your lifestyle. For now, keep moving forward.